First one, we check this table. This table, the value positive, negative, no calculator, no calculator. No calculator. For this one, they told you some pattern. The diagram called all students take chemistry. 0, 90, anti-clockwise rotation.
Wait, Dr. Sam, I don't think you can see your screen.
You can now see the screen?
No.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, this is the diagram. You can also say here 360 degree. 360 degree. Team, what's the meaning of ACTS? What's the meaning of A? Which means the angle in between 0 and 90, all sine, cos, tan positive. If the angle, acute angle, or between 0 and 90. You can also say here, because here is 450 as well. Just a whole revolution. Just a whole revolution. 450. For example, check this angle, 530 degree, or 460 degree. 406. Oh, what happened? 460, you can say around here, 460. Because 90 degree, just 450. Okay, that's the idea. And this one, 380. 360 is the whole revolution. So this is a 380 degree. So the angle is like here, 380. But the 380 in the first quadrant is called the quadrant. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrant. So this one in the first quadrant, positive, positive, positive. Next one. If they inside here only sine positive. So 90 and 180 positive, the other two negative. That's here. And in quadrant 3, only tangent positive, sine cos negative. Quadrant 4, cos positive, the other two negative. Okay, for tangent, for example, here, only tangent positive, here negative. You only cos positive, the other two negative. Okay, try to complete the table. Okay. 140 in the fourth quadrant. 140 is right here. Sine positive, the other two negative. In the fourth quadrant, 330 is here. Cos positive, the other two negative. Here, this one we did. Sine positive, the other two negative. Team, next column. Oh, let's double check. The whole revolution is 360. So you can just do 230. Team, correct. 230 is around here. This one same as 230 degree. Leo W. How about 690? Oh, you minus 360. So you got the 330. It's here. Cos positive. The other two negative. Okay. Leo S. How about 1050? Oh, where is it? We need a minus 720. Yeah? Yes. Cos positive. Okay. That's positive, negative, positive, negative. No. We need to complete the circle. We need to complete the circle.
This one we did it a few weeks ago.
Well, we did this one. We did this one. Okay, then. If we did this one, all good. We can just continue the equation. Okay? Oh, we did the circle. Good, good, the exact values. Now, how we solve equation? Did we try this one? No? Okay. How we solve the equation, How we solve equation? Sine x equals root 2 over 2. How we solve sine? We have two ways, Check here. The first way, all students take chemistry, but this sine positive, which means the angle either here or here. Okay? If you use calculator or you memorize the value, sine how many degree? Give you root 2 over 2, Tim.
44.
Yes, good. So here, 45. How about this angle? 135. Okay. That's the first way. The second way, we can sketch sine graph. This is 360. Here, negative 180. 180. If sine equals positive value, you have here and here. If this is 45, the other one, 180 minus 45. Okay, 180 minus 4. Or we can memorize the formula. If sine x equals a, x equals sine inverse a, 180 minus sine inverse a. If you need more, we plus the multiple k times 360. We just keep adding multiple of 360. Of course, you can minus 360. You can minus 360. Okay, for example, if we need more answers, this question you don't need. If we need more answers, you plus 360, we got 405. If you plus 360, we got 495. But they gave you the domain, so we don't need 405 or 495. Okay? That's how we solve this equation. Either graph or the diagram, or just memorize formula. You can say either here, or here, or here. That's how we solve trig equation. If some student in the future try IB or NCEA, they can use calculator. Okay. They can use graphical calculator, sketch number 2, graph. Okay. One more sine equation. One more sine equation. Negative half. Guys, have a try, Negative half. How you find x value? Okay. Okay. First method, the diagram. All students take chemistry, but this sine value negative, which means the angle is here and here. Or if we rotate clockwise, we can say negative 45. If you rotate clockwise, we can say negative 135. If you rotate anti-clockwise, we can say here, oh no, not negative 45. It's negative 30. It's negative 150. Memorize the value. Negative 30, negative 150. And if you rotate this way, 210, 330. So we have answer. Negative 30, negative 150, 210, 330. Here you can check. You can check the idea. For example, how we use the graph. How we use the graph for sine. 360, negative 180, 180. Negative half. Here, give you negative half. This is negative 30. This is negative 150. Oh, this is 210. This is 330. Graph, okay? Or you can use formula. If we use formula, x equals sine inverse negative half, or 180 minus the answer. Sine inverse negative half give you negative 30. 180 minus it give you 210. If you need more, plus 360, give you 330. Plus 360, give you 330. This one plus 360, too big, 570. We need up to here. So let's try minus 360. Negative 150. Same answer. Okay. Did you learn solve equation in school? Okay. Now let's check a bit harder one.
We did a lot of trigonometry identity question.
Oh yeah, then okay. We need to do a step by step equation, then later identity. Okay. For this question, please try 6A. You have it? You have it. Try 6A. Everybody have a try 6A. Sine 2t minus 30. Okay. The other worksheet, question 6A. Sine 2t minus 30 degree equals half. And t between 0 and 360. Oh, okay. Now solve for t. Still solve sine equation. Okay. Okay. Check the working. Check the working 30. You can use any method. 1, 2, 3, any method. The other one, 150. If you need more, plus 360, 390. Plus 360, 5 and 10. Of course, you can do more. Plus 360 or minus 360. You can try more. Plus 360, 750. Plus 360, 870. So many. Of course, you can minus 360. For example, negative 210 minus 360. So many. This is 2t minus 30 degree. Of course, another way you can try. For example, the idea from function. If t between 0 and 360, Tim, how about 2t? How about 2t minus 30 degree? Minus 690. So, which means we don't need this, we don't need this. We don't need this, we don't need this. Just need between negative 30 to positive 690. That's the first step, The second step, you find the t. All plus 30 divided by 2. 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 So, the final answer. 30, 90. 210, 270. Same answer.
Oh,
Everybody need to do it. Everybody need to do it, huh?
270.
Okay. 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 Let's get on. We always suggest students do not rearrange find t after you got a single value. We have several values, and the last step we arrange find the t. Okay, that's how we solve sine equation.